Guys, welcome to today's video. In our video, we are going to look at how to remove the system power supply unit and return it. You have to remove your system casing. To do so, you loosen the screws at the back. Once the screws are loosened, you gently push back the casing and lift it to expose the system unit components. So the second step is to locate our power supply unit, and here is our power supply unit. Attached to it are various power supply cables, and to remove it, we first detach the power supply unit from the back of the system unit by loosening the screws, and all the screws are removed and safely stored. So here our system unit is loose, but before we remove it, we have to detach the various power supply unit cables. One here attached to the combo drive. Gently pull it to release it. Then there is a 3-pin power supply unit attached to the floppy drive. Gently push it, and now it has been released. Then we have our power supply cable attached to the supplying power to the motherboard. To remove it, you press the clip holding it and you gently pull it upwards this way. And finally, we have the last cable here, the power supply cable attached to the hard drive. You detach it by pulling it gently, and now we have all our power cables. Now here is our last cable attached to the motherboard again, the 4-pin cable, and we pull it gently to release it. Now all our power supply cables are loosened, and the last thing is now to gently lift the power supply unit, and now we have our power supply unit removed. So in our last step, we are going to return back the power supply unit to its original position. Once our power supply unit is in its original position, the next step is to return all the cables to their original position. One power supply unit to the motherboard. Gently align and push it back, and now the power supply cable to the motherboard is secured. The next step is to return the power supply cable to the attach it back to the combo drive. The cable has been attached. The next thing is to attach back the 4-pin cable to the motherboard. Align the pins and gently push the power supply cable to motherboard. The next step is the 4-pin cable connecting to the hard drive. Align it and push back the cable attached to our hard drive. Now all the cables are fixed in the original. That's it for today. See you in our next video.